Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, your daily dose of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we explore another fascinating word. Today's word is commercial. It's a B1 level noun, and it means an advertisement on TV, radio, or online. So, a commercial is essentially a promotional spot designed to persuade you to buy something or support a cause. You often see them interrupting your favorite TV shows, right? Let's delve a little deeper into understanding this word. A commercial, as we said, is an advertisement. Think of it as a short film or audio clip created for marketing purposes. It's designed to be memorable, persuasive, and ultimately to drive sales or influence public opinion. Now, let's look at some synonyms for commercial. One very common synonym is advertisement. For example, you might say, "I saw an advertisement for that new phone online." Another synonym is ad. This is a shorter, more informal version. You could say, "Did you see that funny ad during the Super Bowl?" Another useful synonym is promotion. For instance, the company launched a big promotion to introduce their new product. Then there's the word spot, often used in the broadcasting industry. You might hear someone say they bought a spot during the evening news. Another, slightly more formal synonym is publicity. You might hear someone say the product benefited from free publicity after the celebrity endorsement. Let's put these synonyms into a few more example sentences. Instead of saying, "That commercial was really annoying," you could say, "That advertisement was really annoying," or "That ad was really annoying." Similarly, instead of saying, "The commercial convinced me to buy the product," you could say, "The promotion convinced me to buy the product," or "The publicity convinced me to buy the product." Okay, now let's switch gears and explore some antonyms for commercial. Since a commercial is all about promoting a product or service, an antonym would be something that discourages or provides unbiased information. While there isn't one perfect antonym, we can consider words like disclaimer. A disclaimer is a statement that denies responsibility or connection. For example, the company added a disclaimer to their commercial to avoid legal issues. Another related concept is unbiased report. An unbiased report presents information without any promotional intent. For example, the unbiased report revealed some drawbacks of the product, unlike the commercial. You could also consider the phrase objective review. For instance, "I preferred the objective review to the overly enthusiastic commercial." Another antonym in a certain context could be suppression. If a commercial promotes something, suppression prevents its exposure. For example, the suppression of certain facts made the commercial misleading. Consider also the term truthful statement. A truthful statement aims to inform accurately, contrasting with the persuasive intent of a commercial. For example, the truthful statement about the product's limitations was a welcome change from the usual commercial hype. Now, let's explore how you can use the word commercial in everyday life. You might say, "I always fast forward through the commercials when I watch TV." Or, "That commercial jingle is stuck in my head." You could also say, "The commercial made me laugh so hard I almost choked." You might also hear someone say, "The commercial break is a good time to grab a snack." Consider these examples. The commercial featured a catchy tune. She works in the commercial department of a large advertising agency. He is a commercial photographer. Many viewers find television commercials irritating. The commercial for the new car was very effective. They shot the commercial on location in Spain. Have you seen the new commercial for that soda? That commercial is always on TV. The commercial used humor to grab the audience's attention. We need to create a commercial that will appeal to a wide range of viewers. She starred in a commercial for a local restaurant. His company creates commercials for major brands. The commercial advertised a special discount. She recorded the voiceover for the commercial. The commercial claims that the product can solve all your problems. I'm sick of seeing that commercial for that energy drink. The commercial showed images of happy families. Remember, a commercial is an advertisement, often on TV or radio, aiming to persuade you to buy something. We also explored synonyms like advertisement, ad, promotion, and spot, and contrasting ideas such as disclaimer, unbiased report, and truthful statement. We also saw how it's used in everyday speech. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this episode helpful. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show. Now, I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word commercial and share it as a comment below. I can't wait to see what you come up with.
See you next time.